The nighttime gives our skins the opportunity to rebuild, repair and restore in ways that are not possible during the day. If you have mature skin or skin that is aging a little earlier than you would like, it's time to start using Dermalogica Overnight Retinol Repair and wake up to the skin you've always dreamed of. Aging skin needs something specific, and the Overnight Retinol Repair from Dermalogica allows the skin to do the aging turnaround. Highly active 0.5% encapsulated retinol is introduced to the skin in this formulation, and it immediately goes to work, encouraging collagen synthesis, smoothing fine lines, but also improving the skin, the texture and the tone. Licorice extract, it calms the skin, it soothes the skin, while vitamin C, ceramides and a blend of peptides combine to protect and nourish the skin. By applying the Overnight Retinol Repair to the skin every single evening, the formulation actually works with the skin's circadian rhythm, so you get this dramatic nighttime repair. To get the greatest benefits on your skin, mix the Overnight Retinol Repair with a buffer cream and apply onto cleansed skin in the evening. Once your skin gets used to having retinol on it, what you can do is then apply the Overnight Retinol Repair alone onto the skin, or mix it with your favorite moisturizer, or apply your moisturizer afterwards. Results while you sleep? If that sounds like something that you need, you can get yours from skinmart.com.au.